Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you wanted to get one of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. Just picked up a Noctua NF-A20 fan, which is a 200mm pulse width modulation fan. Really, really amazing. This is one of the best in the business. So this is going to be going into my Phanteks Enthoo ITX case, as you can see. And this is the 140mm fan that comes with the Phanteks case. I already installed my Noctua black fan in the back. You pop this little cover off right there. That's the dust shield. And once you get that off, you've got room for a 140mm fan on top and one on the bottom. And you could put one big 200mm here, or you could put two 120s in the front. The thing is, it's only going to fit a Phanteks 200mm in the middle. The casing of the fan is very round, so it's a lot easier to fit a Phanteks fan, the 200mm, than it is to fit any other brand. I'm going to see if I can't fit that Noctua fan in here. This will not fit the Noctua fan. As you can see, it'll fit in here in the middle where it's widest, but the problem is it's going to hit where the two screws are. You're going to have to trim that part of the case out. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to end up cutting it with a Dremel and open up the case a little bit. You only have to cut from here across and then down. And then the same thing here, down and then over here. You're going to have to move this LED out of the way, which is not a problem at all. All you got to do is just take it. You could super glue it right here. Not a big deal. This is an enormous fan. The bigger the fan blades are, the more air it's going to move while running at a lower RPM, which is going to keep it a lot quieter than the louder fans, the 120 or the 140. I'll get that trimmed out and I'll show you what it looks like. Underneath the tray, you're going to get a little accessory box. And I actually went on Amazon and I ordered this stuff because I didn't know it came with it. The nice thing is that it gives you an extender with the 4 pins. So you have almost 20 inches of length to go from the fan to your motherboard or, wherever you're going to go. It comes with an adapter, which is a low noise adapter. It ramps down the power a little bit, and it's going to make it so that it's not pulling as much power, and it's going to be lower noise. The other thing it comes with, which is really amazing, the Y splitter, which is really nice because it's a 4-pin Y splitter, again, for the PWMs. So you could have 2 PWM 4-pin fans off of one header. I got the front plate taken off the PC. This is what it looks like. Then you take the 6 screws off, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 on the other side. From the back of it, you have to take 3 screws out here, 1, 2, 3. This is actually the USB board that's screwed into the back of the plate. Once you take that out, the only other thing you got to do is this LED right here. You just cut the zip tie off, then this comes out. All I got to do is put those 4 screws in. And the other thing is you're going to need the extension cable, because the cable that it comes with is definitely not long enough to make it through. Plug it in right here, and then run it under here, through the side of the case all the way down, and then hook it up over here to the Y splitter that I showed you before. Here it is after everything. You can't even tell that it's in there, but it is super quiet and it performs amazing. And again, if you wanted to pick up one of these for yourself, I'm going to leave some links down in the description. And if you can, make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care.